one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see a road heading up to the mountains. You've wondered if you're on the right path, and at times the future has felt so uncertain. But the Lord is not leaving you without direction. The Lord says, I'm guiding and I'm leading you along the right path. Do not be afraid, but know that I am with you. Know that I am leading you forward into life. I'm leading you into fullness of life. I'm leading you into all that I have been preparing. Do not force your way ahead, but walk with me one step at a time. For I will show you the path. I will lead you along the right way. I'm not leading you into confusion, but I'm bringing you into a place of greater clarity, a place of greater peace, a place of greater purpose. Keep moving forward, for I am the Lord who is leading you by my Spirit and by my hand. I'm leading you into all that I have prepared for you. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.